In our classes so far, we had seen how to create a table in Oracle database, how to fetch the results from the table, how to insert, update the details from the table. Now in this class, we are going to learn how to delete the records from the table. Suppose I am not interested in having this baby turtle details or any details in the toys table, then how to remove that we will learn in this class. There is a prerequisite how we can create this toys table, and I have few insert statements in order to begin this class with. We will teach you how to remove the rows from the table using the delete as well as with the help of truncate statement. So delete is another form of DML statement. You can use it in order to remove the rows from the table, as I told. An unqualified delete will erase all the rows from the table. So toys is empty after the delete statement. Unqualified means we don't have any conditions over here. Just we are writing delete from toys. So here from keyword is optional. So we will run this first of all over here. Let me just run. I am getting 5 rows are deleted. Now if I run this select star from toys, I am getting nothing in the response. So there are no records in the table available, that is in the toys table. Now what if I want to roll back? Since I am using Oracle's live SQL, I am unable to roll back the changes because as soon as I click on this run button, the changes will be committed. Now if you are using the ATP database, then you can run this rollback so that all the deleted records will be inserted back into the table. Because in that particular transaction, if you roll back, then the details will be undone by the Oracle database. Now let me add the transactions back over here. Yeah, let me just verify whether all the records are available. Yeah, all the details are available, that is 5 records I have put back in this toys table. As in the case of insert and update, you can supply a where clause. As I told, we can put a where clause over here, that is select star from toys. From is optional. So what we can do is delete toys where price is less than 1. So if we put like this the condition, so wherever the price is less than 1, I could see only baby turtle over here and there is this Miss Nuggles. There are 2 records whose price is less than 1. So if you mention that condition, 2 records should be deleted. Now let me run this and verify. Yeah, 2 records got deleted. Now if I run this select statement, I am getting only 3 records. So if you are making use of ATP database or any other Oracle's database, then you can run this rollback to get back the deleted records. As I told, from clause is optional because here we are not writing delete from toys. If you write it will also work. Like update, delete will also lock the affected row. This is from the time the statement starts until you commit or roll back the transaction. Here also you will end up in deadlocks as well.